Look, it's blue sky outside. Yay! Look, a big patch of blue sky there. Some clouds. The sun's covered, but at least it's blue sky. Oh my goodness, blue sky, no snow. Well, there's snow still outside, but it's not snowing. It's not foggy. It's not raining. I'm so happy, guys. Yay! You want to tell them, Jersey, what's going to happen soon? What are we booking tomorrow? Your grooming appointment. Are you going to get groomed? Yeah? You want to go get groomed? What are you doing? Who is it? Who do you got? We will be booking Jersey's grooming appointment tomorrow. By the time he actually gets in and gets groomed, it'll probably take like 2 weeks. We only have one PetSmart here in Newfoundland. We took him to other groomers before, but to be polite, I guess, it's not the way we like Jersey groomed. And we brought him to PetSmart and they've done a fantastic job. We just like the way they do it. Anyway, yeah, hopefully he'll be able to get in soon. It might take 2 weeks before he actually gets in. Oof. But they do a good job, so I don't mind waiting. I have to show you guys what I'm having for dinner, and if you guys haven't had these, you have to pick them up. They are so good. Let's see, what are they? They come in 2 different kinds. Well, at least here. I don't know if they have more. If they do, definitely let me know in the comments below. Oh my goodness, guys, I'm so hooked on these. The last few days for lunch, it's all I've been having because they are delicious. All I do is I set them on the pan, set the oven to 350. It's preheating there now. And yeah, just pop them in. Usually takes, I think on the package, it says 12 minutes on the package. But I actually leave them in a little longer just because I like the batter on it really crispy and good. See? Voila! In it goes. Two best friends.
Okay. So just get it, we'll go on there, you're going to go over a little bit.
Yeah, well, just to give me clear, it is just
Okay.
a touch, right?
I'll go on there.
You want to be,
How do you get this?
You could be doing this every weekend, yeah.
Oh, no, I'm not getting in the habit of that.
That's a dandy little car though.
See what? I can walk back out of her. See you do.
So you don't need any lights on her, do you?
no.
It's all daytime racing.
No, we race tonight with tracks leaf.
Oh, okay. I'll be celebrating the leaf plant today. What, tomorrow night? But you can't have 2 games left this season. You can only have 1 game left. There's only one more. It's only the day and tomorrow. The season's over.
The cage is completely done, the seats in and stuff. I'll show you guys right quick if you want. We're up here at the other garage now. Up at his parents' garage, getting everything ready and stuff like that. Here we go. It's going to be a great day, guys. I don't know how much you can see right now because it's kind of dark in here. Cage is all done and the seats mounted. See, and there it is on that side. And that's how it's mounted. Like I said, it's really hard to see just because it's dark and we got no extra lights right now. Here's the stuff we picked up out to Canadian Tire. Hopefully this will stop the leak.
Unused prescription drugs to your pharmacy. Do it now. Save our kids. Visit CanadaDrugStore.org to find out how. A message from the Partnership for a Drug-Free Canada.
Hammer time.
This is my fortress. This is where I don't have to look far to find courage. This is where I'm always greeted with open arms. This is where my kids can be kids.
Every Saturday night from 9 to 1, Tony Angelo brings the real legends to Kicks Country. You children to find a
I can eat them, but some of the cheese not vinegar.
Don't miss the Kevin.
Put on the outside line and the caliber itself.
No, it's like the bolts won't come out all the way. I don't know why.
So that's your.
You're pretty good know it's out for and you're in the slider, I think.
So in slider,
You're not turning, you just gotta pull them out.
so there's a slot on that there too.
Slide on there.
Yeah. So you can haul that where there's.
No, I'm gonna be the big
Oh, these not all these pumps are not like that, is it? Oh, it's late. Late. Oh, yes, I haven't seen them, I think.
and the crunches are laid big ones too. Cheeses.
Yeah?
What would be? And that's the least one.
So wait right now. Let's go. We sat down. All these around. all like the rounds, all the nachos. And we bought the spicy, all the peas. And then you heat it up in the just like you get into the movie. And then you all day of them. What is my sauce? Are they ever good? All them homemade pieces.
Send that salt. Hey.
Boy, according to that, you want me about $6,000 because I could give you that many bags.
Yeah, but I was charged for
Oh, okay.
For barbecue, I have nothing but prawn rib. I don't have prawn rib, I'll cook that I'll never cook a moose steak or.
No,
Can't
sir.
problem cook pork chops on barbecue.
Oh yeah, well, yeah. Yeah.
Anything else?
I pork chops on barbecue. Can't spin it too, right?
Or you can't leave it.
No.
stabbing in by the bones.
I always do.
Well,
Yes,
then
sir.
it cooks even.
Yeah, but you can't
Some-
leave it for 5 minutes because you go back in
Yeah.
the flame there, 3
So
times the
it's
height of the
all,
barbecue.
so it's all is a fire then.
You don't have cooking, that's what the problem is.
There's no trouble to cook them, you just can't leave them.
No,
Hey, Jersey.
something I don't want it. But when you're trying to feed the American and he just wants it just so, if not he gonna, or is he not gonna eat it well, you know.
What are you doing, Jersey? What are you doing, Jersey cat? What are you doing, Jersey cat? Wrapping by down in the manual.
Good? There goes Bob. Not gonna get it.
What was the order?
Hi, can I get a 6-pack nugget meal,
Okay, we'll take that for your drink.
root beer,
Okay?
and can I also get a double Big Mac meal with upsized fries,
Okay, we'll take that for your drink.
root beer as well,
Okay?
and can I get about 4 extra sweet and sour sauce too, please?
I'll have to charge you for 2 of those.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay? Alright, that will come to $20.88.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you.
Oh, you got it. No, that's not what he wanted either. He pulled out, he was like, I don't know.
Yeah, that's definitely what he was like too when he looked at me. He was always like, stop videotaping, help me, Mom, help me.
Oh, he wants the fox at the bottom. 100%.
Guys, bull. Need help.
What are you trying to get, Jersey?
He wants the fox. No, he wants the. Oh, the duck. The chicken.
What pops in his head like that? He's been in the bottom of that for months. And it's like he was laid down here and just thought, I want my rubber chicken.
You happy now? You got your chicken. Oh my god. That is awesome.
Oh, is he back into that phase? The rubber chicken phase?
I don't, like I said, I don't understand. It's been in that for months and he hasn't touched it. And like I said, he was just laid down there. It was like he just snapped. He was like, I want my rubber chicken. I'm gonna get that.
He's like, that's my chicken.
He deserves it. He worked hard for it.
Thanks for watching again, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.